Hi guys, I'm Shazad and welcome on our YouTube channel. Today's we're gonna discuss that how can you install the Laravel 10. So Laravel 10 is the latest version of the Laravel family. If you are familiar with the Laravel 9, Laravel 8, it's fine. We're gonna download the Laravel 10 version. First of all, we required few things. First of all, we required the composer, which is a dependency manager to download the packages and also Laravel itself. Second thing, we need the server which execute the PHP script. So these are the two main things which is required to download the Laravel 10 version. And make sure if you are downloading Laravel 10 versions and this is your first time, then you're gonna select or you're gonna view or read the documentations or required extensions. I'm talking about the PHP extensions which you have to enable before using the Laravel 10. Okay guys, so now if you are a first person or visiting on our YouTube channel, I request you please click on subscribe button and pressing the bell icon so you never miss any update. So let's get started. Okay guys, so if I open the localhost XAMPP, as you can see, I have installed the XAMPP version. Welcome to XAMPP for Windows 8.0.25. So type Laragon, sorry, it's a Laragon, Laragon. Make sure they have expired the SSL certificate. So if you open this one while I am recording the lecture, so they have the SSL certificate error. Let's suppose I'm going to open with the Edge, same URL, open, and boom, you will have the error. So I'm saying continue with unsafe mode. Make sure they have the SSL issue. So that's fine. Okay, so that's why it's giving us the error. Just click on the download button, and here, as you can see, you have the Laragon full version 173 MB Laragon full 64-bit Apache 2.4, and these are the things available in Laragon. So how can you check uh, my PC? Okay, okay. So right click, I'm saying properties. So I have 12th generation. As you can see, I have 64-bit machines. So check your machines, either it's a 64-bit or 32-bit. Mostly we have the 64-bit because of the technology. So okay, so now you have to download this version. If you want to use the Laragon as a portable, you can download the Laragon as a portable version. Since I'm going to download this one, and now I'm downloading the Laragon. It's 173 MB setup, but while downloading the XAMPP, you definitely have the, I think, 3 to 400 MB file. It's a lightweight, and make sure it's a fast. Okay, let me open the documentations or the homepage. Laragon, modern and powerful, easy operations, productive, portable, fast, effective, awesome. So okay, so here, as you can see, you have a lot of things available here. I use XAMPP with the known that result from the certain configurations issues such as left and right, orange, and not allowing work. Laragon works from the first minute and has well coordinated tools. Okay, you can also read the entire things from here. Wait a few seconds once I download or the files, then we will install the Laragon. So now, let's suppose you have a lot of databases of the XAMPP or the WAMP. So they have migrate from the WAMP. If you're using the WAMP, migrate from the XAMPP. If you're using the XAMPP, I'm using the XAMPP, so that's why I'm going to migrate. So migrate from the others. So they also have the other options. So as you can see, these are the steps you have to follow if you are following the migrate from the others, or if you're using the other setups. Since I'm using the XAMPP, as you can see, so this is the XAMPP. They're saying copy all of your folders, htdocs to www, copy and paste here. Copy databases, dump all databases from WAMP or start XAMPP, run this command mysql dump exe all databases SQL. Stop XAMPP, restore all databases to Laravel. So you are exporting all database here and start Laravel, run mysql root and then all databases. Because we are going to install the Laragon in our C drive. Okay, fine. We have downloaded the Laragon. Just click on the Laragon setup or open this in a folder. So this is the Laragon setup. I have already clicked out. Just click on the yes button. Now click on the next button. Here you can provide the path. You can also click on the browser and specify your path. Since I have only a single drive, that's why it's showing me the folder. Oh, sorry, it's a C drive. I'm going to install the C drive here. At least 965 MB free disk space. I have more than 9. Okay, auto virtual host, quick way to open the text editor and command prompt. Fine, I'm saying next, install. So now you are going to install the Laragon. So Laragon 6.0.0 is the current version of the Laragon family. Once I install the Laragon, then we will discuss that how can you migrate all your databases from XAMPP to the Laragon. So we have installed our Laragon here. It's Laragon. So this is the Laragon. And here, as you can see, you have a lot of folders. When you install the Laragon, you will have a lot of folders available here. So this is a temp folder, and this is a directory where you keep all your file. Okay, guys. So now, as you can see, this is the official website of the Composer, and I'm going to access the web file. So as you can see, this is the Laravel. And now this is the PHP versions I'm using. So click on the Laravel, go to the settings. So as you can see, I have the Apache settings, I have a PHP. So these are the PHP versions. You can select any versions according to your requirements. So now click on the getting started or click on the download button to download the setups. As you can see, you have the exe file. Just click on it and click the download button. So now as you can see, you are downloading. I'm saying CMD and here just type composer. As you can see, it's saying composer is not available. So now wait for a few seconds. Once we download the composer, then we can install. Okay guys, so now as you can see, we have downloaded the composer. Just click on it or now I'm going to remove the composer I have already installed. So if you have installed the composer, just remove it. Go to your control panel and here I'm finding the composer. As you can see, I have a composer. So I'm uninstalling the composer so we can install the new composer so you guys can easily understand. Fine. Now click on it. So this is a composer. Double click. Wait for a few seconds. Install. Now next. So select your directory where you can install the PHP. So in the Laragon, I have the directory. So go to this folder, select your PHP version, and this is the file. Give this file. Now you can also select next, next, install. Wait for a few seconds. We are installing now. Now it's not working, so wait for a few seconds until and unless it's installed the proper version. Okay, now we have done. So click on the button finish and now finish button. So once again go to the CMD and just write composer and here user composer. You have successfully installed the composer. Click on the Laragon and right click quick and click on the Laravel. Start the Laragon, right click, quick app, Laravel, and write your project name. Let's suppose I'm saying Laravel, Laravel 10 for Laragon. Just click on the enter button and now it's downloading the Laravel 10 versions out of the box for you. So it takes time to download the latest version of the Laravel family, which is the Laravel 10. So I don't know why it's stucking here. I have tried 2 to 3 times. It's now, as you can see, it's stucking here. Normally, it takes few seconds to download the package. So this is the first way to download the Laravel 10 version if you are using the Laravel. So how can you confirm that Composer is working fine or not? Just click on the CMD and write the Composer. So if you see like this, so as you can see, this is the Composer 2.5.7 while I'm recording this lecture. So I'm saying CLS. Now you have to go to the specific folder where you install the Laravel 10. Since I have the Laragon and www directory, as you can see, this is a directory. And now I'm gonna install the Laravel 10 here. So if you're using the XAMPP, you can use the htdocs folder. If you're using the WAMP, you can find the www directory. Or if you are using any kind of server, just find the way where you keep the Laravel 10 setup to be executed. So now here is two things. You can directly download the Laravel 10 version. First of all, how I'm saying Composer, I'm saying install, sorry, not install, I'm saying create project Laravel slash Laravel. And here you have to specify the project name of your need. Like I'm saying Laravel 10. So just click on the enter button. So now the system gonna download the Laravel 10 version, which is a fresh version of the Laravel family. So as you can see, 10.2.1 version. So it takes time to download the version because I've tried 1 to 3 times. I don't know why it's stucking here, but definitely you will smoothly download the Laravel 10 version. So this is the first way to download the Laravel 10 version. The second way to download the Laravel 10 version by using the global setting. So let's suppose I'm going to access the Laragon, Laragon, and here I am saying CMD. Both are the same things. Here you have to specify the global setting. I'm saying Composer global, and I'm saying required Laravel slash installer. So you have successfully used the global setting. Now you can just say Laravel and uh, new and write your project name. I'm saying Laravel 10 global. Just click on the enter button. So now Laravel automatically download the Laravel 10 setting or the Laravel 10 projects out of the box for you. So this is the global settings. So now as you can see, the problem is, I think, from the GitHub or uh, the problem is from the Laravel because it's stucking here. I don't know why while I'm recording this lecture, it's stucking here. So it takes hardly 20 to 40 seconds to download the Laravel 10 setups. It depends on your internet speed, first of all. So wait for a few seconds. So let's suppose we are waiting until unless the system download the Laravel 10 version. Now it's stucking here also. Okay, buddy. So now this is the version which we have just installed by using the global settings. I'm going to minimize this one so we can check further once we install the Laravel 10. So as you can see, this is installing the Laravel 10 version. So one of one installing Doctrine and some other packages which is required to execute the Laravel 10 setup. Now it's downloading. So as you can see, it's now installing this one. Boom. And now 53 packages suggested were added by new dependencies. User composer suggested to detail. Now that's it. We have successfully installed, downloaded, and also installed all the packages by using the composer. And this is the setup. Which setup? I think this is the global setup. So this is the global setup. So let me open this in VS Code. I'm going to open this. VS Code, and this is the, well, this is the global. Now if you run this command, php artisan serve, just click on the enter button. It will give you the link, which is a localhost link. Wait for a few seconds. Okay, so let me check this one. It's still waiting. I don't know why it's waiting. Let me minimize this one. Okay, so now as you can see, it's still downloading the versions. No, it's waiting. So just click on this one. Here, as you can see, we have successfully downloaded the Laravel 10.13.5 version, and I have the PHP 8.1.10 version. So in this way, you can download the Laravel 10 version. Okay, guys, so in this way, you can download the Laravel 10 version by using the Laravel, first of all, by using the composer, and also by using the global installer. So these are the three ways to download the Laravel 10 version. So I hope, guys, you are enjoying our videos. If you think we are doing good, thumbs up. Feel free to share our courses with your friends, especially on social networks. And please don't forget to click on the subscribe button so you never miss any update. And please support. So thank you for watching.